So I used Martian cubing lube for Rubik's cubes, and some not sure what these are, but they're tactile brown switches. So this one's a lubed one, this one's the non-lubed one. So, and now for the lubed one. That's so much better. Like, oh my word. You couldn't even tell that they're the same switch. It's so funny. Alright, here it is, completely put back together. And for a sound test, basically what I did is I did most lubed down to no lube on this top row, and then I did like the proper amount of lube that you're supposed to do on this key. And then these ones don't sound too great because the stabilizers in them aren't the best, and the pre-lube stabilizers now or the lube in them are now dry. So let's give it a sound test, starting from bottom up, and then, or I guess starting from here, and then I'll do the stabilizers. Alright. No lube. The proper amount of lube. Here's the good mic test. Starting from no lubed, going up to all the way lubed.